Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. In the left corner, we have the Braun Clean Renew Refill Cartridges CCR, and in the right corner, we have the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads. Let's dive right into it. The Braun Clean Renew Refill Cartridges CCR comes in a pack of 4 and is priced at $23. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads are priced at just $16 for a pack of 6. Looks like we have a budget-friendly contender here. The Braun Clean Renew Refill Cartridges CCR uses an alcohol-based cleaning solution that not only cleans your shaver but also provides optimal hygiene. Plus, it has a refreshing lemon-fresh formula that leaves you with a fresher shaving experience. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads have a round head design that protects your skin from scratching. It removes your beard gently and painlessly, ensuring a clean shave. However, it's important to note that these are non-original replacement heads for Philips Norelco shavers. The Braun Clean Renew cartridges are designed to maintain your shaver's best performance with its high-energy lubricants. It's like having a brand new shaver every day. Just remember to replace the refill cartridge every 2 months for optimal results. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads feature rounded edges that move smoothly over your skin, providing a protective shave. The ComfortCut Blade System ensures a comfortable dry shave while gliding smoothly across your skin. Remember to apply a tiny drop of baby oil on each head after installation for smooth running. Compatibility is key when it comes to replacement parts. The Braun Clean Renew cartridges work with any clean and charge unit, giving you a fresh, clean, and hygienic shave every day. It's a universal solution for Braun shavers. The RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads are suitable for various Philips Norelco shavers, including the Series 3000, 2000, and 1000 shavers. So, if you own one of these models, these replacement heads are a great option. The Braun Clean Renew Refill Cartridges CCR have received positive reviews for their refreshing scent, effective cleaning solution, and improved shaver performance. Reviewers consider them a worthy investment for Braun shaver users. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads are praised for their easy installation, perfect fit, reasonable price, and overall good value. Some reviewers mentioned that these replacement heads are not as sharp as the original brand but still provide a smooth and effective shave. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Braun Clean Renew Refill Cartridges CCR and the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads. Both products have their unique features and advantages. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.